3 plus 4 gives us 7, and 7 times 4 equals 28. So 28 divided by 28 equals 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one division, this parentheses, and one multiplication. In mathematics, when a number next to parentheses, it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so first we have to do this parentheses, and after this parentheses we have one division and one multiplication. As I said, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this parentheses, then this division, and finally this multiplication. If you do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. Okay, inside this parentheses we have a 3 plus 4, which gives us 7. So we have 28 divided by 7, then times 4. Okay, now we have to work from left to right. 28 divided by 7, which equals 4, and we have 4 times 4, which equals 16. This is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 16.